So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add favorite contacts on iPhone. So first of all, you'll either need to go to your contacts or your phone. So if you've added, as I did at the bottom, this phone app, you can open it through there or you can just go to your contacts. It's really the same on how you add contacts to favorite. So let's just open one of the contacts. Now this is something I've added as of late, and you can see it says contact photo and poster mobile. So the phone that you have, you can add notes to it. You can see send message, share contact, and add to favorites. So let's click on add to favorites. And you can see here add to favorites message, call, or video. So let's click on one of the options. And if you choose the option of adding to favorites, you can see I've clicked on call, and you can see mobile right now it's added to favorites. I can also click on the message to add to favorites, but if you have different maybe accounts linked with the same contact, you can choose which mobile or which other number you wish to add to favorites, and now it is in favorites. And you can see here, if I go to the favorites, which will be the tab at the bottom left of your contacts or phone app, you can see the person that I've added. In this case, it will be John. So on here, I can just quickly access all my favorite contacts and find them to contact them more easily. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.